So, let's backtrack.
All right.
Where we start? Day 1.
First country on our European trip.
Mm-hmm. Once we got our train card, we took it all the way to Amsterdam Central, which is amazing. You get to go to Dam Square and walk around. It's really, really crowded, but definitely do it. We took a nice leisurely stroll. First time in Amsterdam, you have to look at all the buildings, so we definitely got to do that, and it's well worth it. The weather was perfect for this, by the way. It was like 70 to like 75, I think. Yesterday.
Sunny, yeah.
That would be Fahrenheit for those of you that are from America. But we were heading towards a place called the Pancake Bakery.
Yes, and they serve Dutch pancakes. You have to try out for sure.
Yeah.
Not your traditional American pancakes. Not thick at all. But very thin.
Yeah.
About the size of like a medium to large pizza.
Yeah. I got one for myself.
Yeah.
I did not finish it.
Yours had like crumbles of stroopwafels.
Oh. It had cinnamon ice cream.
Classic breakfast food.
And chocolate syrup and whipped cream. All those things. I did not finish it, but it was definitely well worth it. It was so good, especially with the stroopwafels in the pancake.
Oh yeah, a little crunch.
Or stroopwafels.
Pronouncing it wrong this whole time.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
All right, so as we were walking along the Jordan neighborhood, our ultimate destination was the Anne Frank House, which is absolutely a must stop in Amsterdam.
Every single minute of the day, people try to come up to buy tickets, and they don't realize you have to buy them online in advance.
So one thing you have to do when you're here is take a canal cruise, which we did right after we visited the Anne Frank House. We heard that we should pick a small boat because it can kind of go into smaller canals. It's a little more flexible. This is what we did.
We also wanted one that was open.
Yeah.
So there weren't any bars or windows around us or above us, which allowed us to take pictures and videos and actually see everything. Obviously, you have to have good weather for that, which we did, so that was good.
Yeah. Great way to learn about the city, especially when you first get there.
Yep.
Nice introduction to Amsterdam.
After our tour, we ended up leaving central Amsterdam, kind of going on the outskirts a little bit, and we went to a brewery, which is at a huge windmill.
Yes.
Not going to try to pronounce it.
After the brewery, we went to a Dutch restaurant, De Blauw Holland or something like that.
Put it on the screen.
Yep, put it right on the screen. We had some traditional Dutch food, bitterballen.
Stamppot. And Levi also had snert.
Snert.
Which is split pea soup.
Yeah, sounds terrible.
It's good.
Actually, it looks terrible. Looks like snert.
Yeah.
But it was good.
We're at day 2.
Day 2. As we mentioned before, we got a little bit of a late start.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, we got into the city. And our main goal to start the day is get an original stroopwafel.
Or stroopwafel, we're not sure.
Yep. We went to this original stroopwafel stand. It's called the original stroopwafel.
Yeah.
Apparently it's been around for 40-some years.
I've had a taste for stroopwafels for a couple of years. My aunt brought them home as Christmas gifts one year, and I love them. They're so good, but you have to try them fresh. They're a million times better. You can actually taste the cinnamon in them, and Levi approves. He's not really hasn't been a fan, but is now.
We're just gonna take a little stop here because it's such a nice view.
Yeah.
There's a couple making out here 15 minutes ago, so we've got the spot now. After the market, found ourselves here, just wandering around, killing time before our flight leaves this evening, down to Florence, which is our next stop.
Yep.
Doop-a-dap-doop. It's a riff.
It's a riff, okay.